In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make PS4 controller vibrate on PC. So as you can see right here, I have in here this Reddit thread about their PS4 controller vibration not working with Bluetooth PC. So if you want to actually have it vibrate again, what you can do is you can just follow this. First, connect your controller via Bluetooth, open DS4 Windows Ryochan, and then go to the Settings tab. Under the Utilities, you'll find a button called Device Options. Head over and click on it. Select your controller in this tab and take an option called Copycat. Controller should be working fine right now. So by following this particular steps, as you can see, a lot of people was able to solve this particular problem. So as you can see, you can head over and have it work for you. It still works as of 2025 and as of 2026 as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.